There are a lot of confusing concepts in AI. Transformers, tokens, RAG, agents. Sounds intimidating, right? But here's the truth. You don't need to be a genius to understand AI. You just need the right explanation. So in this video, I'm going to explain AI engineering in plain English. No fluff, no math, just intuition. Let's start. What is AI engineering? AI engineering is not building AI from scratch. That's what machine learning engineers do. But AI engineers, they build apps using AI. Think of it like this. Machine learning engineers build the engine. AI engineers build the car people actually drive. You take powerful models, connect them to real products, and make them useful. That's it. Foundation models, the big idea. Everything starts with something called a foundation model. Sounds fancy, but it's not. It's just a big AI trained on a lot of data, text, images, code, the internet. Instead of building from zero, you start with this pre-trained brain and adapt it to your use case, like chatbots, coding assistants, search tools. What is an LLM really? An LLM like ChatGPT does one thing. It predicts the next word. That's it, but it's insanely good at it. So it can answer questions, write code, summarize, translate. But here's the catch. It doesn't know facts like a database. It guesses based on patterns. That's why it can sound confident but still be wrong. Why modern AI is so good? The big breakthrough? Transformers. Before transformers, models read text one word at a time. Now, they look at everything at once and use something called attention. Think of attention like this. When you read a sentence, your brain focuses on important words. AI does the same thing. That's why it understands context so much better. Tokens plus memory, context. AI doesn't read words. It reads tokens. For example, cat has one token, unknown, 2 tokens. Now, here's the important part. AI has limited memory. This is called context. It can only remember a certain amount of text at once. That's why long chats lose context, it forgets earlier messages. Prompting. This is the most underrated skill in AI. Prompting equals giving clear instructions. A bad prompt, for example, is explain AI. A good prompt is explain AI like I'm 15 years old using simple examples. Same model, but completely different result. You can also set roles like you are a teacher, give examples, few-shot learning, define format, bullet points, steps. Better prompts equal better output. Temperature, creativity switch. Think of AI like a personality dial. Low temperature, it's safe, boring, accurate, but high temperature is creative, risky, fun. Use cases. For example, when you're explaining facts, the temperature should be low. But when you're brainstorming, the temperature should be high. RAG. How AI stops lying? AI has a big weakness. It makes stuff up, and it's called hallucinations. So we fix it with something called RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of guessing, it looks up real data first, then answers using that data, like an open book versus closed book exam. Now, agents, the AI that does things. Normal AI just talks, but agents, they act. They can search the web, run code, send emails, use tools. Think like ChatGPT is the brain, but an agent is the brain plus hands. That's the future. Why this matters? Here's the big shift. You don't need to build AI anymore. You just need to orchestrate it. The winners in this space aren't the smartest, the most academic. They are the ones who understand the building blocks and combine them into real systems. If this video made AI finally click for you, please like and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow. Also, I'm building an AI engineering projects course where you will design real systems you can actually talk about in interviews. I'm giving a discount for early birds. So if you want in, check the link in the description and join the waitlist. Stop just learning and start building. And I'll see you in the next one.